Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we're going to see a story from third standard third term, Unit 1. And the title of the story is The King and the Angel. Now let's go on with the story. A king wanted to build a new palace.
I want a big palace with wooden pillars. Find the biggest tree and cut it. Yes, my lord.
They found a big neem tree to cut.
Cut the tree for the king, or else.
Oh, please, don't harm the tree. It is the oldest tree in the town. It saves us from falling sick.
It is the king's order. You have to follow.
We will not let you cut the tree.
They went to the king and told about the tree and the people.
I will come with you to cut the tree.
That night, the angel came in the king's dream.
My lord, I am the angel of the tree. I am a home to many birds. There are many small trees near me. Also, many come and rest in my shade. Please do not cut me.
Your wood is very good. I have to cut you.
Why do you say so? Okay then, cut me when it rains. Cut me in 3 parts. First my leaves, then my branches, and then my trunk. If you cut me only one time, then I may crush the birds and the small trees. If I fall in 3 parts, then some of them will leave.
The king woke up. He felt bad for the tree.
Don't cut the tree. We should save all the trees. I will build my palace with rocks.
Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe, like, comment. Until then, Assalamualaikum.